Hi, this is Ileana from the SAR office at the TCC Northeast campus, and in this video I will show you how to use the ReadSpeaker on Blackboard and on our TCC website. ReadSpeaker is a text-to-speech reader, which is a tool that allows you to listen to your text being read out loud while you follow along. To get started, open your course on Blackboard, and once you do, you'll immediately notice that the ReadSpeaker will appear at the bottom left of your course window. You can activate the reader function by clicking on the listen icon. You can also move the player up and down the page by using the orange up and down button that's on the left side. I prefer to push it up to the very top of the browser so it's not in my way, but really it's up to you where you would want to put it. So how does ReadSpeaker actually work? ReadSpeaker is similar to an audio player. So to listen to your text, you simply have to click the listen button and ReadSpeaker will start to load the audio. In a few seconds, the recording of your text will start to play along with the words being highlighted simultaneously so you can follow along.
ReadSpeaker allows the text on the page to be read out loud to you. It provides you assistance if you have trouble reading text online. By having the text read out loud to you, you can understand the information on the website more easily. This makes the content more accessible and the website more pleasant to visit. As a user, you don't have to download anything.
To stop it, you simply navigate back to the larger audio player and hit the stop button. A nice feature of the ReadSpeaker reader is that you can set your preferences to your liking. So let's navigate back to the player and click on the gear symbol that's located next to the audio banner. These settings allow you to select or deselect the text being highlighted, as well as the color of the sentence and the word being read. This is actually a great option for those students who prefer more contrast between the letters and the highlighting. Right below this, you can choose your text colors, and you can also opt to enhance the text visibility, which magnifies the text for you by displaying the current sentence at the bottom or middle of the page with a larger font and simultaneously highlighting your text.
Week 7 Wrap-Up. Posted on Friday, October 9th, 2023 hours 39 minutes and 56 seconds PM CDT. At the end of Week 7 you should be finishing up all Chapter 5 HW and be done with 6.1 by Monday night.
You can also set the reading speed to either slow, medium, or fast and have the reader automatically scroll down the page as it reads. These preferences would be automatically saved when you choose them, but you can always click this button so you can go back to the default preferences if that's what you need. One thing that you have to watch out for when using ReadSpeaker is that it will start reading from the very top of the page, and it can become confusing and inconvenient, especially if you're taking a timed quiz or test. So when you do have to take a test on Blackboard or any platform where you can use ReadSpeaker, make sure that you select the specific question or passage on your exam and then click on the ReadSpeaker icon to start reading. To stop it, remember to just go back to the larger ReadSpeaker player, wherever it is that you've placed it, and simply stop the reading to answer your question. Using ReadSpeaker is also an option on the TCC website. You can enable the reader by highlighting the text that you wish to read and clicking on the icon that appears when you let go of the mouse. The same ReadSpeaker player that we had on Blackboard would appear next to the text, and you can also use that player to stop the reading, to customize your preferences, just the same as we've done before. ReadSpeaker can be used in any device that supports Blackboard as long as it's connected to the internet. However, you will have to use a conventional web browser such as Google Chrome or Firefox on your computer in order to use it on the TCC website. Thanks for watching this tutorial on the ReadSpeaker text-to-speech tool. For more information on other text-to-speech tools or assistive technology, contact your home campus SAR office. Good luck with your courses.